This is level 2. You learn this. I don't know what it's called.
The big scale.
Okay.
Cool.
You learn the can. You learn side swing. You learn double under. Now I'm on level 3. I'm working on double under crisscross. You go like this. And then you do a double under crisscross.
Man.
Like this. You do 1, 2, 3, double under crisscross.
Woo!
And then you do, and then I'm working on under the leg.
You got it. Did you get it?
Yeah.
Do that one again. That's cool. Do that one again. Yay.
And then double under 360, but you do this, but in double unders. And the seat jump. I can't do this. And you jump. And that's about it.
Thank you, Maddie, for the jump rope demonstration. And that's Saturday, May 21st.
That's not anymore.
Okay. Well, thank you, sweetie. Ooh, you're getting mighty close. All right. Lauren's ready for her first event. It's the 50. There you go, honey. You can do it.
This is heat
44.
Event number 7. Girls 11 and 12, 50-meter butterfly. This would be a good time to thank the following businesses that contributed to our meet. Intamin Bakeries.
See how the rest of the heat's going?
Louis Fruit.
Honored, she used to go. This is hard. I've
McDonald's.
lost it.
S-Mart.
There she is.
And Raven. Today's lunch is conducted
Go for it, honey. Go, go.
Persian Avenue. Sunday's lunch is donated by Dave Wong, Chinese Cuisine, and Westmont Training in Stockton. And Monday's lunch is donated by Olive Garden in Modesto.
That reach. Line 6. 49.58.
And then Olivia's up right after her, Lauren.
Time to beat's about, no, not 35. That must be something wrong. It's like a minute. I told Maddie time to beat was 45 or 47, but there's no way. These kids aren't doing that. Watch her dive, Lawrence. See how she does. Stop. Stop.
Heat 4. 7 heats.
Oh, she's going under. She's going way under. Oh, great. That was the Lexington Piranhas trick. Get yourself nice and strong, honey.
We have results for event number 5. Girls 13 and 14,
One up,
100-meter butterfly.
down.
I got second if she's on the
Black group. First place. Katie Wilson.
Go, Maddie, go!
She's first.
Orange group.
Go, go!
First place, Amanda Aguayo. Anita's Valley of One.
And we have, so you guys will be able to, in lane 8, the time is lane 8, 46:20. Don't you worry one bit, my dear. Where is she? 1, 2, 3, 4. There she is. Okay. Here you go, Maddie. 50 butter or 50 breast.
These are the 4 fingers.
Now in the water is the second of 4 heats of event
Up
number
fast.
67, ladies standard under 50-meter breaststroke. I've just been advised the snack bar has an incredible special going on now. With every slice of pizza, you'll receive a complimentary margarita. Please, make your way to the snack bar immediately.
That's the girl coming up a little higher. Keep going, baby. How you doing?
You must be 21
All right.
or older to participate.
It's a fight. Go, 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 Maddie. Go, honey, go. We're in lane 4. We got one girl pretty far. No, it's not too far. Go, Maddie, go. 2 hands. Come on, go. Go, go. Lane 4. All right. Good. Lane 4, 106.
106.37.
Down 55 was the winner. Okay.
Lane 7, which is the second one.
No, she's not. Oh, there she is. Okay. There's our girl. 50 breaststroke. Let's see if Lauren streamlines, Manny. Not much. There we go. She's going. Hold on, Maddie. Don't push me. I'm holding
In
the
the water
camera.
is the second heat of event 69.
Pretty good form, Lauren. Go, honey, go. Go hard. See what we're doing here. Doing okay. You're definitely doing okay. Go, baby, go. Go, honey. Pull. Go. Don't get tired. There's your form. Good form. Lane 7. Go 4. There it is. You reached. Good girl. Lane 7, 3rd place, 49. $49.00. What's first? 46. All right. Way to go, Lolo.
Friendly and familiar faces. This is the year's final concert by the Lakewood and Sonoma Ensemble. I'm looking forward to it. They're looking wonderful. And I'd like to take this opportunity now to thank our music director, Gloria Hill, and our accompanist, Charlie Jensen. They have done an outstanding good job. I can't tell you how many compliments I received on their behalf from the performance down at Modesto High School. People were so impressed.
Sticky, sticky everywhere. It's a mess, and I confess, I just don't know who put it there. Runs and Fever coming, throat is sore, my nose is running. I have symptoms of the flu, possibly because of my book report that's due. Just send me to the nurse, 'cause BE will make it worse. I need tender, loving care. Anything but face another day of eating lunch there. Please, don't make me go to school. I never thought of you as cruel. It's just downright unfair for you and Dad to send your sick kid there. Is there nothing I can say that will keep me home today? Just don't let my looks deceive you. If I go, I'll surely die before I see you once again. Just a second, can it be? I hear cartoons on TV. I'll just give them 2 days warning and start planning again for Monday morning.
Oh, I see the Disney stuff logos. All right, Charlie.